Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to change your ringtone on iPhone. We're going to be using the GarageBand app and here we have it, so we're going to open it. You will be having some options here, just make sure that you're on audio recorder. And the next thing to do is to tap on it, and then just beside the recording button we're going to turn off the metronome icon. Then next, over the top left area here, we're going to tap on one of the icons. Now there are currently 4 icons here. We're going to tap on the third one from the left. So we have the first, second, and the third one. We're going to tap on the third one that looks like a brick wall. Then here on the screen at the top right corner, we have a little plus icon there. So we're going to tap on it. We're going to tap on section A, 8 bars, and then we're going to increase the bars to 25. This extends the track field where we can place our music. The next thing we're going to do is to tap on the loop icon. The loop icon can be found at the top right area. Now at the top right area, you have 3 options here. And we're going to select the second one, which is the one in the middle. Now here you have some options. We're going to go over files. Files can be found at the top. Currently it's under Apple Loops. We're going to select files. And when we switch over it, we're going to have some options to search files. And then at the bottom, we have browse items from the Files app. Now this means you should have your song in the Files app on your mobile device. We already have the sound we need in the Files app on our iPhone. So now we're going to tap on Browse Items from the Files app. And the first sound here, which is titled Ink Write Sound. And now we're going to tap on it. And now you can see that it's currently loaded in the Files option. And now what we're going to do is to tap and hold on it. And here you can see that it finally appears on our track. We're going to let it go and we have the sound. We can play it. Great. And then the next thing we're going to do is to tap on the down icon here, which is at the top left area, which points down. The very first icon is what we're going to tap again. And then we have My Songs. We're going to tap on My Songs, and it's currently saving in our file. So here it says your ringtone length needs to be adjusted. It needs to be adjusted to make sure it's 30 seconds. Of course, we made ours less than that, but that's fine. We're going to click on continue. And then we can change the name. We're going to change the name to Ink Sound. And now we have the name, so we can easily recognize it when we're looking for it. So here we're going to click on Export. And already you have the option to use as a ringtone. Of course, we could do this right here, or you can simply tap on OK. And now we have this song saved as a ringtone. We're going to go over to Settings to confirm this. So over here in Settings, under Sounds and Haptics, we're going to tap on it. And then on the ringtone, you're going to tap on it once again. And then you have the ink sound. Great. So we've just selected the ink sound, which we made from our GarageBand into our ringtone. So this is how to change your ringtone on iPhone.